What if I told you that a life-saving drug went from $13.50 to $750 overnight, all because of one man? This is the shocking story of Martin Shkreli, the pharma bro who exposed the ugly truth about drug monopolies. By the end of this video, you'll see how greed turned a vital medication into a weapon against the vulnerable, and why this scandal rocked the entire pharmaceutical industry. In 2015, Martin Shkreli, a hedge fund manager turned CEO of Turing Pharmaceuticals, made headlines worldwide. His company had acquired the rights to Daraprim, a 62-year-old drug used to treat toxoplasmosis, a life-threatening infection, particularly for HIV and AIDS patients, and others with weakened immune systems. But what happened next shocked the world. Shkreli increased the price of Daraprim by over 5,000%, taking it from $13.50 per pill to a staggering $750 per pill. The annual cost of the treatment for some patients soared to hundreds of thousands of dollars. The backlash was immediate. Patients, doctors, and the media slammed Shkreli for exploiting those in desperate need. But Shkreli? He seemed to revel in the attention. The controversy was escalated when Shkreli was summoned to testify before Congress. But instead of answering for his actions, he smirked, refused to speak, and further fueled public outrage. Shkreli's defense? He claimed the price hike was necessary to fund research and development for better treatments. But here's the catch. Turing Pharmaceuticals didn't invest significantly in R&D. Instead, it exploited a loophole. Daraprim's patent had expired, but the market lacked competition due to the drug's niche demand and complex manufacturing requirements. The scandal wasn't just about Shkreli. It exposed systemic issues in the pharmaceutical industry. How could a single company control the fate of so many lives? And why were regulations failing to protect patients from this kind of exploitation? But Shkreli's story doesn't end there. In 2017, he was convicted, not for price gouging, but for unrelated security fraud charges tied to his time as a hedge fund manager. Because of this, he was sentenced to 7 years in federal prison. So what's the legacy of the Daraprim scandal? For one, it highlighted the urgent need for drug pricing reform. While Shkreli became a symbol of greed, the real problem lies in the systems that allow such exploitation to happen in the first place. Since the scandal, lawmakers and activists have pushed for policies to regulate drug prices and increase competition. But progress has been slow, and patients continue to bear the brunt of an industry driven by profit. Let us know your thoughts on drug pricing reform in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the stories that matter.